is the electronic configuration of Si14. So they give me here, regardless of what is sometimes the name of the element, regardless of where the element is, I can solve it without, just by understanding how many electrons are there. Here the electrons are what? Are 14. So as we know now, here the traces are in noble gases notation. And we know that helium, the first noble gas with 2 electrons, then neon by 10 electrons, then argon by 18, then krypton by what? By 36. Here I don't need to go deeper. Just here I have 14. I see which noble gas that gets less than 14. It is neon. So that means the first one has to be neon. Since there is here neon, neon, neon here, so that means all the traces, it's possible to be right, both based on just neon. Now we go next. Here now when it is 14, that means the second period is finished, which is neon. Second period is what? Is finished. Okay, what comes now? That means what comes after the neon is the third period. And the third period starts by 3s. And the 3s takes 2 electrons. Now the neon takes 10 electrons and the 3s takes 2 electrons. Now the sum is 12 electrons. What is left now? What is left is 2 electrons. Now you see from the traces, here as you see, the 3s takes 2 electrons, but here the P okay. So here, and as you see here, 3s it takes 2 electrons, and here 3p it takes 4 electrons here. 4 electrons are here. So that means the sum here is 10, and here is 2, and here is 4. They're going to be 16, where I have here only 14. So this one is wrong. I go here now. This one takes 2, this one takes 1. So 3 plus 10 here is going to be 13, where I have only 14 here. So that means this is not right. Here, as you see, 2 and 3, number of electrons, and here is 10, so they're going to be 15. 15 is not right. And here I get here 2, and here is 2, they are 4. 4 plus 10, they're going to be 14. So that means this is what? This is right. So that means you can choose the right answer by just collecting the sum of the electrons for each trace, and you see which one would be 14. If they are both 14, you have 2 traces that they are 14, you need to go to know now which period and which sub-level. So that means here, as you see, 3s will be 2, and on 3s, which is the third period, there is no D there. D starts from the 4s. So that means 3s comes after 3p. It will take 2 electrons. So here's 10 and here's 4. They're going to be 14. So D is the right answer.